Our listing at 158 Willow Oak in Manchester is packed with pleasant surprises. If I had to describe this lovely brick ranch in one word, it would be a low maintenance dream. From the new windows, to the new heat and air unit, to the new garage door and opener, to the metal roof, all the stuff that can be expensive to replace is new or in great condition in this home. Add new flooring, new light fixtures, new paint throughout, and new gravel in the driveway, and this gem feels like a new home. Situated on a large lot with mature trees, 158 Willow Oak will quickly become your sanctuary. And despite the country setting, where you feel far away from the rest of the world, this home is just minutes away from the interstate, all kinds of shopping, and any other amenity you may desire. If you want to get away from it all while staying close to everything, give us a call or contact your favorite realtor to set up your private showing today.